Hello and welcome to RachAquarelle. I just wanted to make a really quick follow-up video for the couple of pet portraits that I've shown you how to do. And I've shown you how to use a very simple formula to create most pets. And that's basically just, a circle for the head, this round body, and a couple of feet in the front. And then you can really customize it quite a lot just by adding whatever kind of tail you need. Different animals have different kinds of ears, of course. Some animals, like larger dogs, will have a more elongated body, and the ears, of course, are going to be different. The markings on the body are going to be different. And then I demonstrated, let's see here. The first demonstration I did was this cute little kitty. This is my kitty that I have here at home. And then I also did my two dogs. And the thing is my cat and my dogs, they all have like these pointy ears that stand up. They all have kind of a flat face. So I wanted to just do a really quick demo, and I tried to think of a dog because most cats kind of have the same form for the most part. I wanted to think of a dog that would kind of deviate from what I've shown you so far the most. And so I think I'm going to just do a quick little sketch for you. If I can find my pencil here. Or I'll just use a pen. Oh, I found it. Okay. So I thought, what kind of dog could I show to really show this formula, but applied just a little bit differently? Especially in terms of the nose, because my dogs have a short nose and they're kind of looking head on at you. So that nose is going to be foreshortened, obviously. But what if you want an animal that has a more clearly elongated nose, and then also some difference in the body? So I decided, I'll illustrate like a basset hound because they have a long body and a long nose. So I'm going to start out the same way with just the circle for the head. And then for the body, I'm really gonna elongate it, maybe even kind of exaggerate that. And then we're gonna go ahead and draw these back feet. And they have kind of long, well, not long legs, they have short legs, I guess, but kind of a long foot here. And then we will go ahead and do the forefeet. They have really big paws. Kind of, their legs are a little bit stocky and short. And then they've got more of a belly. And then they kind of have, their tails don't really stand up that much, so I think what I'll do, well, I'll just wait on that. I'm going to kind of think about it. And then I'm going to give them a little bit of a head tilt here. And so I like to just draw a little line just to help me place the eyes. Okay, and now to show that this dog has a more elongated nose, I'm just going to kind of protrude it like this. So instead of looking head on at you, this particular pet portrait is going to be more like, a 3/4 view of the head. And then they have kind of really droopy jowls, so just kind of bring that down here. And then for the nose, we'll just put it right on the end, right there. And then with dogs, I usually like to give them more of a boxy head, kind of even flatten it up on top. And then they have really long ears. And then for the mouth, okay. And then let's see, for the tail, let's just go ahead and maybe, well, see, I don't want to have it sticking out here because it's already such a long shape. And I don't really want to, like put it on the floor here because then it's just going to cover up that foot and look a little bit awkward. So I think I'll just go ahead and pretend that it has a tail that's kind of standing up a little bit. I don't think their tails are quite that long. I'm actually not looking. I didn't look at a reference photo of a basset hound before I did this. I probably should have. So yeah, this is just a really simple example of like the most amount of customization that I think you'd probably need to do these pet portraits to really clearly create a specific animal. And I forgot to mention in the video where I did my dogs, I do have a template available for that as well. I made a template for the cat and I made a template for the dogs. And so the links are going to be in the descriptions of those videos, so you can get that template for free from my Gumroad page. You can download those and you can just print those off at home, and then if you want to use those to transfer the design directly to your paper, or if you just want something in front of you to help you with your own design that you're going to draw, feel free to grab those up. That's what they're there for. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you that you really can make any breed or type of animal with that really basic formula. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much.